Qwood we've been using a very long time at PDS, before I was even at PDS. So over 10 years we've been using the Qwood product. Great product, and we really like using it. Before Qwood we'd be using a timber beading system, or another kind of beading system. So since the introduction of Qwood, reduction in problems of bead splitting with it being timber. So yeah, great product. The benefits that Qwood offer PDS are the fact that it's a composite material, so it reduces the chance of splitting, moisture ingress. There's a lot of positives that we can use with our product that Qwood brings to it. Qwood beads are the Belection mould and also the new 3-part security bead that we did in development with Qwood. It's a past 24 tested 3-part bead that goes onto our door sets, which has a lot of fixings and very secure and very stable. Qwood paints very well, better than a lot of the timbers, to be honest with you, because sometimes on the timber you can get a split grain where it soaks up the timber, so we have to adjust the timber and put products in there to try and stop that grain happening. Whereas because it's a composite product, the Qwood bead paints really well. We get a really nice finish on it. No, very little waste. Obviously, because we buy it in lengths, we can cut it to the sizes that we want, and especially because we're a bespoke manufacturer, differences in glazing sizes, everything like that, we manage to keep the waste down to a minimum.